So today we're gonna do a cheese Maggie with the use of milk. So we do have milk here, a cup of water, mayonnaise. You can use any mayonnaise, whatever you do have. Some vegetables, cheese slice. You can use any cheese. I do have a cheese slice, so I'm using that, and Maggi masala, of course. And that's it. Let's heat up the pan. Gas on ho gayi hai. Some refined. I'm using butter. If you do have refined, you can use any oil, olive oil, refined or butter, whatever you do have. So the butter has started getting melted. Let's get our vegetables into it. Some onion, some chili, and then the capsicum. इसको हम तब तक फ्राई करेंगे जब तक ये थोड़ी सी ब्राउनिश नहीं हो जाती और सॉफ्ट नहीं हो जाती. Let's add some milk into it, and then let's add some water as well. Some mayonnaise. You can use any mayonnaise, whatever you do have. I'm using the veg one, classic one. If you do have the mushroom one, the garlic one, if you like garlic flavors, you can use that. Let's mix it all. Cheese slice into it and mix it all together. Add into it and perfect. You can do the white sauce pasta as well, like that. And let's add some masala, the Maggi masala. The Maggi masala is right there, and mix it all. If you like it spicy, you can add magic the magic masala, जो Maggi की तरफ से आता है. That's a good thing. You can use that as well. Can you see how the color is changing with the masala? And it's looking really clean. So it's basically a cheesy, creamy Maggie, and very easy. You just need to use the milk. making some Maggie Pakodas out of this Maggie. So थोड़ा सा Maggie को ठंडा होने देंगे, उसके बाद इसको मिक्स कर लेंगे हम लोग मैदे के साथ. So let's just mix it all with मैदा. So perfect. Some salt. You can use the red chili as well. And then if you do have some peri masala, so you can use that. So we have some peri from Kia, and we are using that. It's better, you know, the flakes are always better. Done. Let's mix it all. So it's all mixed together, and now we're giving it a shape of pakodas, which we will be frying a little later. So now let's just make them. Well, as you can see here, our balls are ready. Balls are ready to fry. These are Maggie balls. You can say Maggie pakodas as well, whatever you feel good about. So it's there, ready to get fried.